get 10, 20 phone calls a day. You might get 100, 200 leads once you start getting good a day. And you got to work through those and figure out who's the gold and who's the not, right? Who's the losers and who's the winners. And so you got to do this, and it takes time. And then you got to figure out how much material do I need? Do I need, and what you will be like, you'll be like, man, I just spent $3,000 on material. Where'd that go at? It's done gone. I ain't got no more, right? So now we got to worry about materials. Then if we have employees, we got to make sure that they're putting it up right. And then we're getting callbacks because they didn't put it up right. And now we got to go fix the timer because the timer's bad. And now we got a bulb out because the bulb's not all tight. And right, this is the most stressful time of year for Christmas lights. If I didn't tell you this, I'd be lying to you, and it is something that you have to do. But you know what? I love it. It's a lot of fun. You can make a crap ton of money, and that's the beautiful thing about it. I'm not here to tell you to do, the reason why I tell you to be at $8 to $12 a foot is because I want you to be successful. For all the stress you have to be in to make only a couple $100, it's not worth it. If you get up on this roof and fall off for a couple $100, it's not worth it. If you have an employee, then you're paying workers' comp, and he gets up on this roof and falls off of it for only a couple $100, it's not worth it, right? There's a lot of risk to it. There's a lot of things to this. So just be careful out there. And it is stressful, but you can get through this and you will have a lot of fun.